Friends, have you muted someone's WhatsApp status either intentionally or by mistake? Now, because you cannot see their status, you want to unmute it, but you do not know how to do that, then don't worry, you have landed to the right video. Hello friends, my name is Ankur and you are watching TECHIES. So friends, in today's video, I am going to show you how can you unmute a WhatsApp status. Alright, so let's get started. Friends, open your WhatsApp application. Now here first I'm going to show you how to mute a WhatsApp status. So once I mute it, then I will show you how to unmute it. Okay. So as you all know, in order to see any WhatsApp status, you need to click on this second option, which is status. Once you do that, you can see all the WhatsApp statuses over here. Okay. Now I'm going to select the first one to mute it. In order to mute it, I will long press on this name and then there will be an option to mute it. Just click on mute and that particular name will be hidden from your status. You won't be able to see their status in future unless you unmute it. Now, as you want to know how to unmute a status which you have already muted, I will show you how to do that. What you need to do is, on this page only, you need to scroll down till the bottom and you will see an option which says muted updates. And just next to the muted updates toward the right side, you will find a small arrow, the downward arrow. You need to click on that arrow. Okay. Here you will find all those names whose status you have muted before. In order to unmute it, the process is same. You need to long press on that name and you will get an option to unmute it. Just click on unmute. So I'm going to unmute all three of them, which I have muted. And if I scroll up, I would be able to again see their status in my WhatsApp. All right, so this is how you can unmute any WhatsApp status which you have either muted before, or if you want to mute any status, I have shown you how to do that. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and let us know in the comment section if you have any queries. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.